Man, I know y'all like, man, what is this market doing? Like I tell y'all on yesterday, that was just a short squeeze, a dead cat bounce. Don't y'all get excited. I mean, you could have took profits on things, but like I said, you got people that's actually trading in this market, and they scalp profits. Some of them wrote it on up. They see the market was going up. They might have bought 5,000 shares or something. As soon as it went to its peak for that day, they sold it, scalp profits, and got out. But yeah, portfolio back down $7,100. It is what it is. I don't have a list today. I'm just go through and wing it, man. Like I said, I be making these long lists, man. Everything down. So we just gonna go wing it, get some fractional shares, and get out of here. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right, let's go on through it, man. Like I said, I'm just wing it. I don't know why my phone like this. Let me switch it to percentage change. Here we go. Key Bank, Arbin. We know all the bank stocks down. Got PSEC. No, this pays 4.5 cents a share a month. Like I said, I'ma just wing it, man. I ain't gonna buy some fractional shares and cash up at the same old time. OXSQ is one I'm definitely gonna put a buy order in. All right, $2.38. We're gonna go in at. AGNC 12 cents a share a month. Like I said, I can go in later do some whole shares if I please, but got another portfolio I'm doing that in. Got a trade in front of y'all so y'all can see how things work. So you ain't got to load up on everything. You don't know how long the market's gonna be down. So you got to kind of cash up at the same old time. Western Union got like a 9.5% dividend yield right about now. Some of that. New Tech down 7.6%. Go get some of this also. I got some new powder on the side, like I say, just in case, but I'm gonna use this margin on my Robinhood portfolio. I'm about to put some inside my Webull portfolio. Got like 6 grand I'm about to go drop. Reason being is because I went hard on OXLC. I got my 12,000 shares. I want to get me another 12 grand so that I can put me at 2,000. Well, 11. Give me another 11,012. 11,112 shares is what you need. 11,112 times 9 to get you $1,000 a month. So that's my whole plan with that. I'm gonna drop that so that free up some margin, give me a bigger, should I say, a margin balance to use. And that's gonna be that. I'm also getting my 1,000 shares of this. I want to come out of this little dip, this thing we got right now, whatever you want to call it. I want to come out of here with my 6 grand a month in dividends. So that's my whole reason of being. So all my little money I got on the side, I'm about to get them some of that. The IRS just gonna get short. I'm gonna drop him like 5,000 when I do my taxes, and I'm gonna set 202. Go get some of this and shoot him a little $500,000 a month. Think I'm gonna owe them like 11 grand. So but one thing about it, I get dividends, so that'll be paying it back daily anyway. So that's why I'm not tripping. So I had some money. I was gonna buy another property, so I got a little bit of change just sitting. So get some OPI. Like I say, this market ugly, man. But you got to, like I say, man, I know it hurts, but you got to buy and hold. You got to put your savings into this. I know it might get some pushback, some backlash on that, but it is what it is. Like I said, it made no sense to even do a list because everything down. Just go buy the stocks you like and keep on moving, man. It's the only thing I'm able to tell you. Like I said, you get some good news today, you'll be another squeeze. So just take advantage of your opportunity. Make sure your bills paid now. Your rent, don't put no money in this you're going to need in the next like 6 months to a year. I say 2 to 3 years, but at least that out. Because like I said, you got to take advantage of these dips, man. Well, I say I'm going to choose certain stocks. I know our monthly payers, high yielders. So while I'm using this margin, they'll be paying it back at the same time, stretching it out. I've been doing 5 on monthly dividends. TCPC is a REIT. Like I say, you got to buy them REITs. Reason being is, hold on 1 second. Put my phone on do not disturb real quick so people leave me alone while I'm trading. Sorry for that little moment. I got Comcast. This is another one I'm gonna get out of. All right, back at Comcast. Like I said, it's another one I'm probably going to be getting out of. This is a dividend growth stock. Most of these are trades. Like I said, you get a dividend, but it's small, so you got to sell some shares to make money. Got to scalp profit. You can keep the rest for your dividend. But like I said, I got higher yielders. If I'm gonna hold a stock just for a dividend, there's other stuff I'd rather hold. If I'm gonna do it mainly for that reason, I'd rather do a RYLD or QYLD. Penny Mac, gonna let that come down some more. MIFC is down. Still got a discount today, so like I say, this is the time. If you ever thought about using margin, it's the time for you to do it. Pet's at 297. It's gonna be a swing trade. Need to lower my average cost. Another play I will be exiting. Just trade my way up out of it, making some profit while I'm doing it. Land pays out monthly. There's probably going to be another one I'm going to exit out of. Need to lower my average cost in this, 6% yield. Robinhood charged me 5.5, but I got some other dividend payers paying 12% plus. So charge point. Knowing that 56 cents. Like I said, gotta buy these dips, man. Just bringing down the average cost. You know, Viatris is getting stumped. It's gonna be another good swing trade. You see that volume? Today's trade volume is at 9 million trades. That's why I say them kind of stocks. RYLD, I already got some of that today. I'm going to get another $3 worth with you. So y'all just imitating my trades. Y'all know what to do. DEA down 15.34%. They rent out buildings to the government. It's got a 11.13% yield now. 52-week low is 789 with a high of 1452. So it's time to bring down them average costs. See, one thing that's why I said if you're gonna use margin, you need to get dividend stock so it'll be paying it back for you every day. PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. XYLD also pays out monthly. Trying to bring down that average cost. Got about 11.8% dividend yield. Nike down another 10.89%. That's why ooh, Lord, $10 worth of Nike. It's time you're going to bring your average cost down. You got to hold and buy. I don't want to do it. They don't pay no big dividend, but I'm at 81 bucks. I need to bring it on down. Chatham Healthcare Group at $15. Got to go in there and get it. Tomorrow is Friday, so I have some more dividends coming in. So as I be spending them, they'll be coming on back in, replenishing at the same time. I like AQN. I know this yield got to be high right about now. 7.11%. Got to get $2 worth, almost a half a share. Want to catch it around about that $4.50 price. Junk Bond, nice 7% yield, pays out monthly. Take advantage of this one. RPT was getting beat up. This is going to be a swing trade I'm going to get out of too. Man, you tell me this thing got down to $1.20 today? It's got to be. Yeah, it did. I'm going to do what it say. I don't think that's accurate, but got down to that. I want 5. Reverse stock split coming. Didn't mean to get some. I was at RPT. Gonna go back down to that one. Got to get CHMI at these prices too. It's gonna be an excellent swing trade. 248. It's Cherry Hill. All right, was that RPT? Make sure I did put that in. April 10th is the day, so that order did go in. GMRE, Gaming Leisure REITs, 710. That's Global Medical REIT. I'm sorry, that's another REIT. BLV is another monthly paying bond, about a 4 to 5% yield, 5.37. Yep. Right now, I know most people want growth, gonna go basically for the Magnificent Seven. But if you want them dividends, man, I go for them monthlies. ABR, definitely got to get some of this at these prices. Nice quarterly payer. I definitely be getting those high yield monthly payers, the RYLDs, QYLDs. I mean, you get the quarterlies paying too far as the REITs. Especially when you look at like the trade volume on them. Like the Arbor Realty Group we just seen. Double digits. Oh, Intel, man. Below that $20 range, you better load up on it. Lionel Balls's definitely getting tore up. Time to lower that average cost. Buying whole stock. Like I say, where I'm at 9Life, I'm gonna be focusing more on that QYLD, RYLDs. Those are two like less volatile to me, and they gonna move when that market move. RYLD is the Russell 2000. QYLD is the opposites on the NASDAQ 100. QYLD moves the fastest. Make sure I get some SDIV too. Where else we going? S-Bulk, Marine Dry Bulk Shipping Company. This one that also moves quick and fast. And got to get GOGL, Golden Oceans Group. All right, got that. We got MFA. That was MFIC. Got to get this one, MFA Financial. Am I buying this one? Market cap 840 million, dividend yield 15.53%. Got this as a buy. 15.33, I'm sorry. All right, IVR. Really want this under the $6 mark, but you can't. It's still a steal. Reduces dividend from 40 cents to 34 cents a share quarterly. Got to get ORC. I just brought 250 shares at $5.93. I actually already got my 1,000 shares here, so I just dollar cost average on in. NLY, Annaly down. Got to get this. Nice quarterly paying REIT. Gotta tell you, man, you ain't gonna see no dips like this for a while unless something drastic really go down with the economy. Hope this kick a good dividend out. SDIV. I need to bring my yield down. Let me get me another $5 worth of this. Man, dang. All right, got $5 worth of SDIV. Might go get some more, see if it comes down. Stretch his money out somewhere else. The only thing about me, I get aggressive. But I do feel good about the future now, man. I ain't gonna even lie, because I took advantage of this dip. I'm trying to take more and more advantages of it. Like, I ain't worrying about nothing. Let me see, UAN, CVR partners, do like that one. Need to bring this down some. That one moves fast too when they want to run up. You know, New York Mortgage. But I can't front though, man. After these interest rates, they get all this stuff together, man, it's gonna be lovely. You just gotta weather this storm for now though. All right, APLY options on Apple. That's why I tell you, do not load up on YieldMax ETFs. I had to learn, not learn the hard way. I just learning how they trade. So when these came out, they were trading up in the $20 range, man. You just put the dollar, really put your account on like recurring, and just let it go by a dollar a day, just to say that there, and and keep it like moving, like $3 here, $5 a day, just dollar cost average on in with like the price, so you can stay inside his range. Don't go buy 5 shares at once, cause you say if you buy 5 shares at say you buy 5 shares at $16.95, and tomorrow go to the 15.35. See what I'm saying? You could just put $3 at 15.95, 3 at $3.35, and just dollar cost average on into it slowly. That's what I would tell people. For us who want to invest in these. That's why now I just dollar cost average on in them. You know, ARR pays out monthly. It's a bank. Heritage Bank, Hercules. Okay, I'm still up in that one. I know I got that at the low. AGGH bond pays out monthly in 2026. Ain't got to bother with that. They got that also. FSK is getting whooped. 1849. This pays out monthly too. But it's like kind of stable though. Like it, like a less volatile. It seem like TSLY down 5%. That's a discount. $2 worth of that. I like that one. I like MSTY. That's why I made $3 worth of that. That's why I say dollar. See, I'm down, and like I said before, I was buying like 100 shares, 50 shares. I didn't know how much this thing had to NAV. Man, that NAV real. That's all I'm gonna tell you. All right, man, we're gonna go in today at 1766. I'm gonna get a whole share. I need to get my 100 shares, and I'm gonna get it. I need to do it now. Three shares at that price. Gotta say this thing moves fast. $3 worth right now. Bring down my average cost, but I need to get them 100. AIYY still didn't get my 100 shares yet. Once I get my 100, leave it alone and just let it do what it do. Oh, good God, everything getting ate up, man. Spit pays out, just was 33 cents a share. Now it's paying like 28, 29 because of the prices at NVDY, Nvidia. So these YieldMax is gonna be going up and down and up and down. All right, back at Nvidia, got Suns. Another quarterly paying REIT here. Got this from a spinoff. Another one I'm gonna exit. That with my REITs, I'm gonna stick with AGNC, ARR, and ORC. Them the ones I like. Far as I'm gonna take any risk. QQQY. Also, you got from a spinoff. Pays out monthly. IWMY pays out weekly. Yeah, iSpy, this pays out monthly too. S&P 500. Want to bring down that average cost. Got to get Wendy's. At $14.97. We all know that's gonna go back above the GOOY. $2 worth of that. Got to get XDTEs and QDTEs. These pays out weekly also. QDTE $5 worth. Waste Management SCHD 4% discount. I like this at the 30 and under, really 28 and under. I'm attacking. Just building it up slowly. SCHG. He's buying whole stocks here. YMAX definitely got to get this one. Thought about buying a share of this every day. PYPY PayPal. Pays out monthly. I went hard in these yield maxes. And got sunk in them. USOY getting whipped. Options on oil. Get my 100 shares of that too. Got FEPI. Pays out monthly. SCHF is the International Fund. 1854. I think I got this on $1 a day recurring. Got to get TOPT. That's the top 20 stocks in the S&P 500. SVOL is definitely at a discount. See if they're going to let us start buying earn back. Nope. I got it in this portfolio so I can do fractional shares. All right, about to end this trade. I just want to go get some SPYI. Another one I started a position in, monthly payer. All right, y'all, that's everything. Enjoy your day. Stay safe out there. Go get your money.